Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Samina Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of English of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a class, English class for the students of class 5, and the topic is Unseen Comprehension 4. So let's see some other informations. This topic is from the syllabus of your annual term, and this is lecture number 14, and you have HW number 9, and I have here written my number if you need it. So as I have said, our topic is unseen comprehension. So first we have to read out the comprehension carefully. So let's read it. Maliha is a student of class 6 in a government school in Rajshahi. Her mother works in an IT firm and her father is a businessman. Maliha is very fond of her aunt, her father's sister, Suraya Begum. Her aunt lives in another part of the same town. On Friday, she often goes to her aunt's place and spends time with her. Suraya Begum is a retired school teacher. She is a widow and lives alone. Her husband died 3 years ago. Her 2 daughters are married and live with their families in abroad. They often talk to her over telephone and come to visit her whenever they get time. So you see, this short passage is about Maliha and her aunt. And here we see Maliha is a girl of class 6. She lives in Rajshahi and her mother works in an IT firm and her father is a businessman. She has an aunt who lives in the same town and her aunt's name is Suraya Begum. She often goes to her aunt's place on Fridays and spends time with her. She is very fond of her aunt. And Suraya Begum here is a retired school teacher who is a widow. That means her husband has died and she lives alone. And she has 2 daughters who are already married and live in abroad with their own families. And Suraya Begum often talks to her daughters over telephone, and they also come to visit her. Okay, so let's go to the 5 number, which is our question of true false. We are going to answer whether the statement is true or false. Okay, let's see. A number. Maliha is a student of class 7. So is it true or false? Of course it is false. Maliha is a student of class 6. So we will write here false. Number B. Maliha's father is a service holder. So this statement is also false because Maliha's father is a businessman. Okay, number C. Maliha is very fond of her uncle. So you can see this is also false because we see here she is fond of her aunt. She has an aunt. So here also false. D number. Suraya Begum is a college teacher. So you can see here Suraya Begum is a retired school teacher, not a college teacher. So here also we can write false. E number. Maliha is a student of private school. So it is also false because we can see in the first sentence that she reads in a government school. So it is also false. F number. Maliha's mother is a housewife. that is also false because Maliha's mother is an worker in the IT firm. Alright, last G number. They often talk. Here the word often is a noun. So often is not a noun, often is an adverb because it modifies talk here. How frequently they talk, they often talk. So it is false. Alright, so you can see all the sentences are false here. Anyway, so 6 number, fill in the gaps with the correct word from the box below. Okay, there are some extra words which you need not use. So these words are live, works, government, likes, daughters, retired, find, soft. So we will put the correct order in the blanks. A number, Maliha reads in a dash school. It is government school. G-O-V-R. Government. Okay. So Maliha reads in a government school. B number. Maliha dash her aunt very much. Likes her aunt very much. Likes her aunt very much. So this word, likes. C number. Suraya Begum is a dash teacher. So retired teacher. Suraya Begum is a retired teacher. She does not work anymore. Alright, D number. Maliha's mother dash in an IT firm. Maliha's mother works in an IT firm. Works. E number. Suraya Begum has 2 dash. So 2 daughters. Okay. Alright, so 6 number is done. Now 7 number, answer the following questions. These are the questions and I have written the answers here. Okay, so let's read the questions and answers. A number, who is Maliha? Maliha is a student of class 6. Okay, Maliha is a student of class 6. B number, what does Maliha's father do? Answer, Maliha's father is a businessman. Okay, her father is a businessman. So C number, who is Suraya Begum? Answer, Suraya Begum is Maliha's aunt, who is a retired school teacher. So Suraya Begum is Maliha's aunt, who is a retired school teacher. D number, where do Suraya Begum's daughters live? Okay, so the answer is Suraya Begum's daughters are married and live with their families in abroad. Okay, so her daughters are married and live with their families in abroad. E number, what does Maliha do with her aunt? So the answer is Maliha often goes to her aunt and spends time with her. So this is the question answers, and you have HW to do this question answers. Okay, so students, I hope you have found this lesson very helpful, and this is it for today. See you in next class.